Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm John. If you guys don't know who I am, pardon me, on Instagram and YouTube. And today we are in Millville, New Jersey at NJMP for Hooked on Driving's. Well, it wasn't their season opener. VIR was their opener. It was an opener for us in the north. So it's a beautiful, Josh, what? 35 degrees? Yeah, it's pretty cold out, so we're gonna go easy. I'm not gonna have cameras in during my first session because I just want to learn the track better, focus on it. But it is absolutely beautiful. The car is emptied out, all the lugs are torqued, the tires have been adjusted. Josh is here with his E36 finally, it's out and about. That's Josh. He is the head tech at Rogue Engineering. He's also a GS Motor Club Black Card member, and his E36 is ready to go, but you're tracking tomorrow. Maybe today. What's going on, Ben? You look cold.
It's freezing out here.
Yeah. How's it going, man?
Pretty good.
You excited?
Yeah.
Beautiful day, not raining?
Yeah, right. Let's let it warm up a little bit.
Yeah, hopefully it does warm up. But other than that, Tom, he is here from GS Motor Club. He is our COO. He has his sick C7 Grand Sport out that was just wrapped by Revline vinyl. And it came out beautifully. So the tent is here, telling people all the good stuff about GS Motor Club while we're waiting for my group to begin, because I don't go out till 11. The 40 car is looking so good. Sitting on Rogue Engineering GTR wheels right now. It's a 3.3 liter forward out motor, tuned by Kassel Performance, the same guys that tuned my car. And I actually haven't heard this thing in person yet, so I'm going to try to get some footage of it today, because that 3.3 coming out of this side exhaust, just at idle it sounds rowdy. So next time you see me, I'll be in the car, cameras in, and we'll see you there. Okay guys, the first session is done. The car is performing beautifully. Big shout out to CSF for the radiator and the oil cooler. I don't think you can see it. No, you can see it down there. But although it's about 45 to 50 degrees now, oil temps are hanging around 220, so the car is very, very happy. The StopTech brakes, as you can see, there's a lot of dust, but they are, all I can say is wow. If you're looking for a big brake hit, the StopTech is the way to go. The car feels unbelievable on street driving. It's smoother than the stock brakes. And I'm running their sport pads. Due to shipping delays with COVID, my track pads didn't come in. And I had zero issues during my session. I personally have to stop dragging my brake while I'm trying to figure out what people are doing, because in A group there's some kind of goofy braking here and there. So me having to work on it, I got to stop dragging the brake. But no issues with the pads, had full braking power the whole time. Really, really, really impressed. So I'm gonna put my GoPro in the car for the next session. I go out in about an hour. We're gonna clean up Devin's car a little bit. He's got the Mustang out. Hey Devin, how big are your tires now?
305, 30, 19.
And that's front and back?
Front and back.
So you guys know Devin. You've seen him on my Instagram. His Instagram is Noel Devin. I'll put it in the right here on the screen for you. He tracks with me all the time because track friends are the best friends. But he's got a really clean 2014.
It's a little dirty right now, but yeah, 2014.
It hides the dirt well, but god damn, I love this car and it sounds amazing. America. And he's also a GS Motor Club, oh, hold on, GS Motor Club Black Card member. Look at that sticker, 1 of 1. So, I'm gonna get the GoPro in the car. The car feels amazing. A few things I gotta clean up that we'll talk about, like not dragging the brake, but you know what? It's an awesome day. The weather is beautiful. It's always a good day when you're at a racetrack. And I'll see you on the track. Okay, so we just got done with the second session. I don't know if you can hear me, but the brakes are, calipers are at, let me get it in the shadow, 170, 185, and the rotors are at 530. So, and that's on their sport pad. So, you know, I do have some brake ducting. It has a bunch of holes in it, but overall, sick. So let me get out of this. Next thing you're gonna see is third session. So having a great time, track's fun, nice and, well, it's really warmed up now, but yeah, this is great. I know I said you would see me in the next session, but I do want to say one thing. You can't really see them, but the CSF upgrades that are down there, the radiator and the oil cooler, this is the first track day that I've been able to really not lift the whole time. And it's the greatest feeling ever. My coolant is dead center the whole time. My oil temp is, you know, 10-15 degrees above the center line. So hats off to you guys at CSF. And the price is so reasonable for the performance that you get. If you guys, even just for peace of mind on hard street driving, 100% recommend CSF. They are the absolute best. I love their products. Josh didn't have to cut my car up at all to fit the pieces in. They're OEM fit, and the performance is just, it's just amazing. The car has never felt better between the brakes, the cooling. You know, I have peace of mind with the Moroso expansion tank, knowing that with the heating and cooling of track driving, it's not going to pop. And then the Turner catch can as well, you know, just because it's just a good thing to have when you're really running at redline a lot. But I got to say, I'm absolutely loving it. KW V3s, the car is handling perfectly. The PS4Ss are holding up nicely on these Rogue Engineering Arc 9 wheels, which are motorsport wheels, and they're very, very well priced as well. So next time, session 3, let's go get it. Okay, so that'll wrap it up here for Thunderbolt at Hooked on Driving. Amazing day. Thank you so much for being my coach.
John, it's a pleasure being your coach, and very impressed with your skills for never having driven this track before.
I swear to God I didn't. Thank you so much. Also got to thank Kassel Performance. The tune on this car, it's just, the power is consistent, it's happy, it's just, it doesn't miss a beat. So if you're looking for a really good tune at a very good price, Kassel Performance. Again, StopTech, the brakes, insane. My oil temps, the last session, we actually got to get going pretty good.
Yeah, we did.
And the oil temps stayed halfway between 210 and the second dot. Coolant stayed dead center the whole time. My brakes don't sound like that, yet I had the braking performance, so I was very happy about that. The car feels a lot better in the corners, having that 50 pounds or almost 50 pounds off the roof. The tires, good. The PS4Ss are awesome. The KW suspension, the V3s, absolutely just kills it on the track. And then with all the Turner bits, the adjustable control arms, the camber plates, all the monoball bushings, the car is just really, really, really solid. And I'm really happy. I'm really looking forward to a good 2021 track season. So that's gonna wrap up this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Later.